Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on the markets. Your middle of the day market update, of course. We're going to do a full update in general today, and that's what I said earlier this morning as well. I personally am not trading. I was very close, and I'm still quite close to actually opening some trades because I'm a bit bored, frankly. But ultimately, I mean, today is going to be volatile, and I believe the Trump inauguration is in 1 hour, probably after the upload of this video. So check the upload time and check the timing. But it's at like, if we're talking about UTC, it's at 5, I believe. And then I believe a little bit later than 6 is the expected time that he's going to make executive orders, I believe it's called. So those are the two timelines that are going to be very interesting. It's going to be massively volatile, all right? So unless you're an experienced trader, I would either not trade or trade with a stop loss for sure and trade with low position sizes, because Bitcoin right now, I drew this arrow down. I mean, I would say, like, looking at Bitcoin right now, the financial markets are actually closed, right? So we cannot look at the dollar strength index, and we cannot look at stock markets, which normally would have opened right now. But if we're taking a look at Bitcoin with the volume we have right now and with the price action we have right now, it's actually looking quite good. Because what's going on is that, first of all, I mean, if you take a look at the daily time frame right here, unless the daily time frame closes all the way below like 102 or 104,000, this daily time frame candle close is most likely going to be good. And what's also going on is that there's a lot of volume being transacted between buyers and sellers, and we're still at 107,700, right, after all that volume. So what I think you need to be careful for is some sort of a sell the news spike. Like, if there's no mention of a strategic Bitcoin reserve, if there's no massive executive orders for cryptocurrency companies, or the Ripple case, for example, we could have a massive spike down. And if the daily time frame then closes below 102,000, we could also still turn bullish, or turn bearish, excuse me. But unless we do that, I think it's most likely that and I think in general at this point of time, it's most likely that, yes, we'll be volatile, and yes, we'll spike down, but that we will be able to actually hold these levels and go higher. Just historically, if you get a breakout like this with the volume we have right now, most often it has gone higher. All right, so that's why I feel that I have the obligation to tell you we're going higher. And if he does talk about a strategic Bitcoin reserve, we're spiking into 115 and into 120, into 125 before you know it, right? So be prepared for that as well. And if you do want to gamble on that, it's up to you. I'm not going to tell you to do that. Personally, I won't. But things like that can happen. Now, talking about altcoins right now, to start off with XRP, I think XRP is in a very similar situation. I mean, it's very bullish right now, and technically, and that's also what I told you this morning, technically, I think it's most likely we're going higher, even with that potential volatility down. So I would say I expect something like this, right? Something like this is what I expect on the 1 hour time frame or something. But if we do not get any executive order about the SEC, or potentially about the Ripple case specifically, which I don't expect, but still, if we do not get something like that, this could also get a relatively big sell the news effect. And I do not think that is most likely. All right, so remember that I don't think that's most likely. But a day like today is very volatile. So just know that it is a possibility. And outside of that, I mean, talking about altcoins, the main altcoins, if you actually do want to trade altcoins, and if you actually do want to trade them, what I would say is focus on the Trump related coins. All right, so potentially look at the Trump coin right here, which is actually breaking out kind of out of this lower time frame downtrend. So that might be interesting. But outside of that, some of the coins that I think are most interesting are the coins that World Liberty Finance is trading in. So then we're talking about Ethereum, Aave, Chainlink, Athena or ENA, Ondo, but also no, that's it. Or am I missing something? No, that's it. But those US-based companies, right? So US-based companies, so then it's also Cardano, it's Ripple, of course, it's Hedera, it's Algorand, it's well, those for now, Litecoin as well, and the World Liberty Finance, which is a Trump-related project, and the coins they're holding. if you want to trade, if you want to focus on altcoins, focus on those. But like I said, if you're a beginner, if you don't know what to do on a day like today, if you don't know what's possible, because a lot is possible, and that's the difficulty about the market right now, I would just stay away. All right, but right now you can also see Athena is actually quite strong, and my personal favorite at this point of time is actually Athena. I'm pretty tempted to buy this, but that's not a signal. I'm still kind of observing the price action right here. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.